Today we will learn this new chapter, okay, chapter number 14, that is method of preparation of homeopathic drugs, that is new method, okay. Till now we have learned about the old method, okay, the new method, why there was the need of new method, okay. Yesterday we have discussed a little, okay, but now again we will discuss the same thing, okay, why there was need of new thing, okay. Like there is some issues or that was not pupils were not comfortable with this old method, that's why this new method came, okay. It is just like an example ki pupils were not comfortable with landline phone, that's why mobile came, okay. So some, because this new method is more comfortable way of preparation of homeopathic medicines, okay. So method of preparing homeopathic drugs, new method. Introduction part. All pharmacopoeia should follow a standard process for preparation of medicines, whether in solution or in trituration. So, the solutions means succussion and trituration for solid things. Okay, is that all triturations and all alcoholic medicinal substances? Example, there is like tinctures, extract, etc., and their dilutions might be made up of uniform drug strength to be presented by a dry crude drug as the unit of strength in case of mother tincture made from dried substances, and the plant juices as the unit uh, when made from fresh grease drug. For the purpose, Hahnemann introduced the centesimal scale on the principle that the first potency should be contain 1 by 100th part of the original drug, and each succeeding potency should contain 1 by 100th part of the one preceding it, okay. Then this principle works well so for the mother trituration and potency trituration of the dry drug substances were concerned, okay. What Hahnemann has told, okay, that was the drug power, okay. Just remember, same thing is there, but in old method same thing will be called as a drug power, okay. And same thing in new method is called as a drug strength, okay. So if question will come or short note will come, drug power or drug strength, okay. So drug power is related with the old system of preparation of mother tincture, and drug strength is related to the preparation of medicine from new method, okay. Process is same, okay. So till here, okay, then we're concerned. Then, but difficulty arises in standardizing the drug strength in alcoholic solution. Okay, I told you drug strength previously in older method it was the drug power. Okay, so same thing everywhere in class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, class 5, class 6, class 7, class 8, and class 9. Okay, everywhere it was a big problem. Okay, key how to know the drug power of particular drug. Okay, and how to select this drug will come in this classification or this group, okay. These were the two big problems, okay. Then but difficulty arises in standardizing the drug strength in alcoholic solution, which were covered looked by Hahnemann, or dry substances and plant juices when collected from fresh green drugs were noticed by the compiler of British Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia in 1876. Okay, when they are compiling, they just got this problem: ki every time how to know the drug power of that particular drug and how to manage it. Okay, the lack of uniformity in drug strength, okay, in bracket you can write drug power, okay, was due to the different degree of solubility of different kind of drug substances in alcohol and water, okay. Every drug substances which are first class, second class, third class, fourth class, okay, every class of drug, their solubility in the water or in the alcohol is very different, okay, because it contains many things like resins, gums, okay, and chemical juices and other things. And okay, then water, varying quantity of plant moisture in different varieties of plants used in homeopathy, okay. So this is the reason, okay, all the drugs materials, they contain various quantity of juices, various quantity of moisture, okay, and the variety of plant is also very different, okay. So that is the one reason behind this, okay. Then we will go to part. It is observed that the water in the forms of moisture present in the plant, is but a solvent and a part of the vehicle or menistem, forms no part of the total medicinal substances. Hahnemann views was that the plant moisture is a part of the drug substances, but American homeopathic pharmacopoeia claims that it is only the solvent. Okay, actually, this plant material, okay, any moisture content is there, which is like in liquid form or any type of water forms are there. Okay, that is as per American homeopathic pharmacopoeia, they are only the solvent. Okay, but these resins, gums, okay, alkaloids, okay, all the things they need solvent. Otherwise, how you can extract all these things from with the help of water or juice or alcohol? Okay, previous edition of American Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia divided all vegetable and animal substances into four classes. For preparation of mother tincture, already we know AHP as per this Hahnemann, class 1, class 2, class 3 and class 4. Okay, of which first three classes treat the fresh plants and the fourth animals and dried plants. The amount of drug substances are 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 6 and 1 by 10 in each of the respective classes according to the plant containing large quantity of juices or small quantity of the juices, or the plant are dry and animal products fresh or dried. Okay, so this is just a repetition of previous part. Okay, what we have studied in the old method of preparation. Okay, accordingly, 9 different classes of formulations were adapted in the preparation of mother tincture dilutions and trituration of the medicines used in the homeopathic practice. To avoid these diverse and to bring out a uniform in strength, drug strength of all the homeopathic medicine preparation, whether in tincture or in the trituration, the American Institute of Homeopathy set up a special committee in 1888. Okay, it was a big problem with the drug power. Okay, each drug they have to manage the drug power of different drugs. Okay, and to manage these, okay, just American Institute of Homeopathy, they had just brought uniformity in the drug power, or you can tell the drug strength of the drugs. Okay. Uh, then in 1888, on the whole, recommendation of the Pharmacopoeia Committee has followed the direction of British Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia to take a every instance of the dry crude substances as the starting point for which the calculation, its strength and the trituration containing all the soluble materials of 1 gram of the dry plants and 10 cubic millimeter of the tincture. The tincture already we know this is the symbol of tincture, therefore contains 1 by 10th part of medicinal substances, should reopen the 1 into 1 by 10, thereby corresponding its strength with the 1x trituration. In short, the dry crude drug substances has been made the unit from which we estimate the drug strength in all triturations, all tinctures and triturations. Okay. Then, with the exceptions of the few drugs, homeopathic pharmacopoeia of United States official in 1941 prescribed the uniform standard of 10th drug strength in all cases of medicinal preparation. This standard eliminates the double standard of Hahnemann in case of alcoholic solution or dry drug and fresh drug plants. Okay, every time Dr. Hahnemann, when he was just taking a juice with the alcohol and taking juice with the uh, liquid, okay, like water, okay, every time drug power was different. Okay, so this way of drug power were just means eliminated in this by homeopathic pharmacopoeia of United States. Okay, then Hahnemann in case of alcoholic or dry drugs and fresh plants. The centesimal scales of potency, the previous adapted classification of medicinal materials and different formulations uh, adopted classification of medicinal material and different formulations in connection with the preparation of homeopathic medicines and uniform standard in the uh, thus secured. Okay, just note we have to see HPI also accept new method of the preparation of mother tincture, which German homeopathic pharmacopoeia still holds to Hahnemannian method. The drug strength differ for different classes for or each classes. Okay, still in German homeopathic pharmacopoeia they are following the old system of preparation of drug. Okay, but new method of preparation of drug is accepted by the homeopathic pharmacopoeia of India. Okay, HPI. Then plant moisture. Okay, what is plant moisture? Just it is little different part. Okay, what is plant moisture that we have to see? Definition: plant moisture is the juice content in a plant. Okay, that is called as a plant moisture. Okay, utility: to know the moisture content or the water percentage of the vegetable drug substances. Okay, means by moisture content you can know the amount of alkaloid or quality of the that particular plant. Okay, because each plant or each plant part they have a specific amount of moisture content is there. Okay, and by that classify the plants properly. Okay, and by moisture content one experiment is also there in our syllabus. Okay, to just know the moisture content of the particular plant. Okay, how much moisture that particular plant is containing. Okay, the moisture content, particular plant's moisture content experiment is there. Okay, we have. Okay, so that also we can manage. Next is uh, it is to be noted that the tincture must be of uniform strength. Okay, already we have talked. All the drug strength should be uniform. The respective strength vary greatly due to the variability of the moisture content in the same plant or different um, seasons and conditions of the growing, procurement and storage. Okay, means already we have talked ki, like Dr. Henneman has classified plants in different classes. Okay, so this moisture content of each plant is different. Okay, each plant. Okay, and they also depends upon the type of weather, which type of weather is there. Okay, which type of geographical area is there. Okay, on many things it depends. Okay, like plant different depends upon the variability of moisture content in plant's course grade, depends upon the uh, many things. Okay, like this geographical area and other things. Okay, then and such moisture content or the water content of each crude sample is ascertained beforehand. Okay, so that we have to know properly ki, what is the moisture content of each drug material or each plant materials. Okay, each drug or each plant material, how much moisture content is there or how much moisture it contains. Okay, how the plant moisture is calculated? This is experiment. Okay, just see this part. Okay, in later on in lab also we will start this experiment. Okay, this is in our syllabus. Okay, moisture content. Sometimes also this comes as a long question. Okay, so how to know the calculate the moisture content of a given drug material or given plant or given crude form of the plant. Okay, the drug substances are at first kept on the chopping board and cut into the different size with the help of chopping knife. Okay, means you have to take, suppose we are taking calendula. Okay, just take an example of calendula. Okay, so we all are taking calendula. Okay, and calendula just we are chopping with the chopping board with the help of chopping knife in the chopping board. Okay, now next what we have to do we will see. Okay, then the chopped drug substances weight and the weight is recorded. Okay, how much drug substances you have chopped. Okay, that you have to weight. Okay, means how much weight is there. Its weight you have to take. Okay, weight of that particular drug material in the crucible or that porcelain mortar and okay crucible or in the pestle. Okay, you have to keep there. Okay, is taken. Then these pictures of the drug substances are placed on a crucible. Okay, means the these pieces of the drug substances are placed in a crucible. Okay, then which is then placed on a water bath. Okay, then you have to keep it in water bath, so that by the gentle heating of the water bath the juice of the plant is evaporated. Okay, means water bath, you have seen water bath from down, you have to just give it heat. Okay, so that you will put a porcelain dish there where you have kept the particular amount of this drug material. Okay, now you are heating. Okay, and after heating what will happen, the moisture will evaporate. Okay, moisture will evaporate. Okay, then next is the pieces of the drug substances are placed on the crucible, which is then placed on a water bath, so that by the gentle heating of the water bath the juice of the plant is evaporated. Okay, so till here you are following me, you understood or not? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then
Yes,
after
sir.
that we will see
Yes,
the
sir.
fourth point. Okay, the chopped substances should be kept on the water bath until the weight scale should no longer reduce of the weight. Okay, means actually we do this 5 times. Okay, normally 5 times in our experiment. Okay, one time we kept it for some time. Okay, like 5 to 10 minutes evaporation. Then we will take the weight. After 10 minutes, again we will do 10 minutes. Then again we will wait. We do till there is no change in the content, moisture content. Means everything is evaporated. Okay, so this experiment we will do in our practical. Okay, how to know the moisture content of a particular plant. Okay, then chopped substances should be kept on the water bath until the weight scale should no longer reduce of the weight. Okay, means when you are doing this process, at last the situation will come ki there is no moisture is there in the crucible. Okay, only the material part is there. Okay, no liquid moisture is there. Okay, so at that time you have to take it out. Okay, the substances is weighted after every 15 minutes. Okay, every 15 minutes, first time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time. Okay, we are doing this experiment 5 times. Okay, in our this our lab. Okay, then okay,
Okay.
so the substances is wetted after every 15 minutes after cooling from the a minute until a constant weight is obtained. Okay, when there is a constant weight is obtained. Okay, on obtaining a constant weight, which means there is no more weight evaporated left. Okay, after that 5 times you will complete. Okay, there will be no any evaporation of weight. Okay, weight will not be evaporated. Okay, then next part is okay, then now compare the final okay weight with the what is taken before. We give the amount of moisture content of the drug substance. Okay, at last what is the left? Okay, and before what? Before weighting. Okay, or before just taking out the moisture content, you have taken its weight. Okay, so what is the difference in weight? Okay, that difference is the moisture content. Okay, it is just like that ki suppose you have taken any weight. Okay, any weight 5 kg, 10 kg, and you are on the weight machine or like a weight machine. Okay, and after just take out that and you will again weight yourself. Okay, so that difference. Okay, that difference will be the weight of that particular thing. Okay, so like that. Then after determining how much quantity of dry drug substances is present in the given quantity of the fresh moisture material, this is to be compared with the respective tincture formulation for this drug as specified in the pharmacopoeia. It is the weight falls below from that prescribed as the standard weight of the particular formulation. Sufficient quantity of the purified water should be added to evaporate equalize with the standard weight. Okay, if any problem with the standard weight, then you have to manage as per HPI. Okay, homeopathic pharmacopoeia of India. Everywhere it is a standard is given in HPI. Okay, if you are using calendula, this much weight. If you are telling arnica, this much weight. Okay, everything is given. Okay, but if its weight is above from that of the prescribed as the standard weight of the particular formulation, that reduces sufficient quantity of purified water reduced to be mixed with the strong alcohol to make it equal with the standard formulation. Okay, means alcohol also used as a dehydrating agent. Okay, they will work as a dehydrating agent. Okay, Now next is the preparation of mother tincture modern method. Okay. After moisture content, again this part is important. Okay. So have you followed me in this moisture content? How to know the moisture content? Very simple procedure. Okay. You have to chop the drug material. Okay. Crude drug material, and you have to just do it 5 times, 15 minutes each time. Okay. And after that, when at last what will happen? There is no moisture and there is no change in the weight of that particular thing. Okay. So that is the last point. Okay. And as per HPI you have to maintain the standard. Okay, this is the moisture content. Okay, this is important. Okay, this moisture content part is important. Many times in viva also examiner they ask, okay, how will you know the moisture content of particular plant? Okay, and just how will you do this experiment in your pharmacy laboratory? Okay, next is the preparation of mother tincture modern method. Okay, modern method of preparation of mother tincture. Okay, this is different. Okay, there is in modern method two methods are there, maceration and percolation. Okay, so first we will study the maceration process, and after that we will study the percolation process. Okay, the preparation of mother tincture modern method. Okay, and this is, I can tell you, 5 star important. Okay, many times this came in your question paper. Okay, many times. Okay, so be careful for that. Okay, just anything you are not understanding, please tell me. Okay, the preparation of mother tincture modern method. Okay, peculiarities: uniform drug strength. Okay, 1 by 10. Okay, here now there is no issue with the drug strength. Okay, everywhere drug strength is uniform, that is 1 by 10. Okay, that was not in the old method of preparation. Every class there is drug strength is a little different. Okay, consideration of the moisture content of the drug substances. Okay, consideration of the moisture content of the drug substances. Okay, process, two processes there: maceration and percolation. Okay, remember it. In new method of the preparation of the drug substances, there is two method is there. Okay, and these two methods are maceration and the process of percolation. Okay, remember this process. Okay. Okay, now we will go to next part. Okay, that is the process of maceration. Okay, definition you have to remember as it is. Okay, definition part you need to remember as it is: maceration. Okay, 211 page, just go through it. Okay, maceration process very much important. Okay, definition: it is a long process of preparing of mother tincture from the vegetable and animal substances under normal temperature and pressure according to the new method. Okay, remember this. Okay, definition: it is a long process of preparation of mother tincture from vegetable and animal substances under normal temperature and pressure according to the new method. Remember it as it is. Okay. Next is the substances taken for maceration. What type of substances? Okay, difference also comes under maceration and percolation difference. Okay, so what type of substances will be useful for the maceration? Okay, hard. Okay, substances which are hard. Remember it. Okay, gummy. More gums are there. Okay, more gums are there. Mucilaginous. More mucilaginous are there. Okay, substances of animal kingdom. Okay, hard, gummy, mucilaginous substances of animal kingdom, those having much viscous juices. Okay, much viscid juices. Okay, means which need very much strength or power to dissolve it. Okay, viscid juicy which do not allow alcohol. Menstruum. Okay, alcohol vehicle, I told you menstruum means vehicle or alcohol. Okay, to penetrate the uh, to penetrate, okay, or permeate, okay, rapidly as the process of per- percolation are immersed in strong alcohol for a definite period of time as per pharmacopoeia. Okay, means there is hard, gummy, and mucilaginous drug substances is there, and you have to put menstruum, that is alcohol, on that. Okay, and you have to keep it for a particular time. Okay, macerator. I have shown you macerating jar. I think when I was showing you video. Okay, at that time I have shown you the macerating jar. Okay, if you remember. Okay, do you remember this? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are remembering, na? You
Yes,
remembered that macerating jar, na? Okay, so then in that
yes, sir.
macerating jar only, we have to keep these hard, okay, gummy mucilaginous substances, okay? Substances for these type of substances should be used for the okay hard gummy and mucilaginous drug substances do not allow the menstruum alcohol to penetrate rapidly due to the smallness of intermolecular space. Okay, means they are hard. Okay, how why anything become hard? Because already you have studied in the solid state or in the chemistry. Okay, if anything is hard means there is very less intermolecular space. Okay, that's why it is hard. Okay, sponge is not hard. Okay, because its intermolecular space is more. Okay, therefore bones are hard because there is no intermolecular space. Okay, muscles or fat or these are like little soft. Okay, because there is much more intermolecular space. Okay, then therefore it takes long time to penetrate. Okay, the reason for cutting or pounding of the material is to increase the surface of the penetration of the alcohol. Okay, how alcohol will penetrate. Okay, like that conditions. Okay, now how will you do? Okay, here you have understood about the which type of drug material is there, definition also you have understood here. Okay, now we have to go through the conditions. Okay, Menstruum. Alcohol as well as purified water is called as a menstruum. Remember it. Sometimes it comes as a very short note, 2 marks. What is menstruum? Okay. You have to tell alcohol or purified water that is called as a menstruum. Normal temperature is 15 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. Sorry, 20 degrees Celsius. And pressure, okay, pressure is normal temperature and pressure. Okay, at normal temperature, what is pressure at environment? That is called as a normal pressure. Okay, drug contract in a contact with vehicle for long time, you have to keep your drug material with the vehicle for long time. Okay, then the murk is processed after removing the liquid portion. Okay, now here one more term came, murk, MERC. Okay, remember it. Okay, the drug is the contact with the vehicle is for long time and the murk is processed after. Okay, murk is processed. Okay. Okay, 2 minutes. I have to take this call. Hello. Okay, so okay. You can give in this Sani store. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Okay, okay. I will give you OTP. Okay. Hello.
Yes, yes.
1475.
1475.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay, done.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, welcome.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. Next we will manage. Okay. Merck. Merck. You have to remember. Okay. MERC. Okay. Merc you have to remember because this Merc many times it also comes as a short note. Okay, now some terms are there, just we will go down here, we have some terms are there. Okay, like menstruum. Okay, menstruum, what is menstruum? You have to know because many times it comes as a 2 marks question, short note. Okay, menstruum is a liquid which is capable of penetrating the tissues of a plant or animal substances and capable to dissolve the active principles. Okay, means menstruum is the thing. Okay, means it may be water, it may be alcohol. Okay, so it is the liquid which is capable of penetrating the tissues of the plant and animal substances and capable of to dissolve the active principle. Okay, they just help to dissolve the drug materials inside animal or plant part. Okay, so this is called as a menstruum. Remember it. Okay. Also, I told you when we are studying. Okay, coffee is steel. Okay, in vehicle chapter. Remember it. What is coffee is steel? Then you have to remember way. WHEY. Okay, way also you need to remember. Okay, so these small terms. Okay, they are very much important. Okay, you need to remember because these are 2 marks question and these 2 marks questions are like mathematics. Okay, I told you earlier also. Okay, Then next part is the merc, MERC. Okay, when whole syllabus is completed, you forget what is merc. Okay, because this came in short note. Okay, like previous exams. Okay, and your seniors they have just made it wrong. Okay, like they have not answered properly. Okay, what is merc? It is the inert. Okay, it is the inert, fibrous and insoluble material remaining after expression of juices from the drug material or after maceration or percolation. Okay, when you are doing the process of maceration by them in the macerating jar and percolation in the percolator. Okay, so after that some remaining residual part is left. Okay, that fibrous part which is not dissolved in the menstruum. Okay, that thing is called as a murk. Okay, I think this murk word also you have heard in when we are preparing the alcohol. Okay, we are preparing alcohol from the sugar cane. Okay, sugar cane part. Okay, that which is the residual part. Okay, so it is the inert, fibrous, and insoluble material remaining after expression of the juices from the drug material or after maceration or percolator. Okay, remember this. Okay. So is this Manstrom and Merck is clear na, to everyone? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, remember this. Okay, this is small.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next is the magma. Okay, MAGMA. Okay, this magma is not related with volcano. Okay, remember it. This magma is not related with volcano. Okay, this magma is related with the process of preparation of mother tincture by new method in homeopathic pharmacy. Okay, so the thick residue of the soft uh, doughty masses, okay, molten masses result from the expression of the fluid part of the certain substances, okay, pounded fresh plant. Okay, that is called as a magma. This thick residue of the soft mass or molten masses, okay, which is soft, okay, like it is like a mud. Okay, mud like mass. Okay, means which is not dissolving but it is like a muddy thing. Okay, resulting from the expression of the fluid part. Okay, fluid part will be just go out. Okay, of the certain fluid part of the certain substances. Okay, that is called a pounded fresh. So that is called as a magma. Okay, means it is just a little more liquid part or dissolvable part than murk. Okay, murk is the total residual part. Okay, after that which is like a residual part but it is little soft. Okay, little soft than the murk. That is called as a magma. Okay, magma you can just remember it from that thing like it is nearby mud. Okay, it looks like it is just like a mud for the drug material. Okay, then next is the digestion. Okay, digestion sometimes also it comes as a short note and it is not related with your physiology digestion. Okay, there may be I think only for 5 minutes is remaining. Okay, so anytime if connection will be off. Okay, we will continue next time. Okay, so next is the digestion. When the maceration is done in a in a hot liquid, it is known as a digestion. Okay, process of maceration in a hot liquid is known as the process of digestion. Okay, when the maceration is done in a hot liquid, it is known as a process of digestion. Okay, when a process of maceration is done with the help of hot liquid, that is called process is called as a digestion. Okay, so remember these four things: menstruum, murk, magma and digestion. Okay, now we will come to the process. Okay, process of maceration. Okay, we need a macerating jar. Okay, already I have shown you this macerating jar in that video. Okay, procedure. Okay, process. Okay, what is the needed or what preparation we have to make? First, what preparation we have to make? Okay, moisture content of the drug substances is that excess of the deficiency of the water is calculated with the help of water bath. Okay, already we have done. Okay, excess moisture content we have to take as per HPI. Okay, if we are taking any drug material, that drug material should contain the moisture content as per only HPI. Okay, as per HPI only we can put. Okay, as per HPI. Okay, the drug material should be only as per the HPI. Okay, then moisture content of the drug material. Okay, exposure or deficiency of the moisture is calculated with the help of water bath. Okay, water bath, already we have seen that procedure, how to calculate the moisture content of particular drug material. Okay, now next part is this is the just moisture content we have seen as per HPI. We just reached there, and now we are just using that particular drug material for the process of maceration. Okay, remember this terminology, maceration. Okay, okay, process proper. Okay, now how will you conduct the process of maceration? Okay, the drug substances are made into pulp. Okay, that pulp is called as a magma. Okay, this is small pulp. Okay, magma. Okay, already. Okay, on or in the natural state if not residuable. Okay, means if you cannot cut it, already it is in small pieces. Okay, then like small leaves are there, then there is no need to chop it. Okay, just you can directly, the drug substances are, you can keep as it is. Okay, but if you are in bigger size, okay, you have to chop it and make it in pulp form or magma form. Okay, the pulp magma is placed in the macerating jar. Okay, remember it, macerating jar. Okay, this is a big steel jar. Okay, this macerating jar is a big steel jar. Okay, remember this. Okay, is preferably made up of glass or stainless steel. Okay, till now I have seen only the stainless steel. Okay, I have not seen any glass macerating jar. Okay, till now what I have seen is the only steel macerating jar. Okay, okay, then made up of glass or steel. So remember it. Okay, sometimes examiner will ask ki, this macerating jar is made up of which type of things. You can tell there is mainly it is made up of glass, made up of steel. Okay, stainless steel. Okay, then prescribed quantity of alcohol. Okay, is added to the cover the whole mass of the drug substance. Okay, already this is given in HPI. Suppose we are making mother tincture of calendula. Okay, or other, okay, calendula, or we are making mother tincture of, okay, calendula. Okay, so what quantity of drug material should be there, in what ratio you have to keep the alcohol, that is already described in HPI. Okay, and that thing you have to follow. Okay, as per HPI, what thing is given. Okay, what is given in HPI, that you have to follow, that ratio you have to maintain as per HPI. Otherwise your this mother tincture will be wrong. Okay, so the prescribed quantity of